Are you looking for the best adjustable griddles? In this video we will look at some of the 5 best adjustable griddles on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. GreenPan Elite 7-in-1 Grill and Griddle. The GreenPan 7-in-1 Grill offers a revolutionary ceramic non-stick surface that not only makes cooking healthier but also simplifies cleanup. Its versatile design allows you to use it as a contact grill, panini press, or griddle, giving you multiple cooking options in one appliance. You will appreciate the toxin-free coating, which ensures peace of mind while preparing your meals. The ample surface area opens flat, providing you with plenty of space for grilling or griddling, making it perfect for family meals or entertaining guests. What we like: healthy ceramic non-stick surface, versatile cooking options, toxin-free materials, large cooking area. Number 2. Holstein Housewares 2-Slice Non-Stick Griddle. The Holstein Housewares 2-Slice Non-Stick Griddle is a space-saving and user-friendly appliance that is perfect for cooking paninis and toasting bread. Its non-stick coating makes it easy to clean, and the floating hinge system accommodates a variety of thicknesses. In addition, the preheated/ready-to-cook light ensures optimal temperature in cooking, and the cool touch handle ensures safe use. Its compact design and brushed stainless steel detailing also make it a great addition to any kitchen countertop. What we like: non-stick coating for easy cleaning, compact and space-saving design. Preheated/ready-to-cook light ensures optimal temperature in cooking. Cool touch handle ensures safe use. Number 3. Deahun Mainstays Dishwasher-Safe Griddle. The Deahun griddle is a versatile addition to your kitchen, ideal for making a variety of meals like bacon, pancakes, and burgers. With its adjustable temperature control, you can easily set the heat to match your recipe's requirements, ensuring perfectly cooked dishes every time. The slide-out drip tray helps keep your cooking area tidy by catching excess grease and mess. Plus, when you're done cooking, you can detach the temperature control and toss the griddle in the dishwasher for easy cleaning, making it convenient for everyday use. What we like: versatile cooking options, adjustable temperature settings, easy to clean, mess-minimizing drip tray. Number 4. Flame King 17-inch Griddle. The Flame King griddle is designed for your RV's pull-out kitchen, making cooking a breeze while on the road. Its Teflon-coated cast iron surface ensures easy food release and cleanup, enhancing your cooking experience. You can effortlessly connect this gas griddle to your existing setup, although a 3/8-inch female flare hose is needed. With a powerful 12,000 BTU output and an adjustable flame controller, you can achieve the perfect heat for grilling. Enjoy the convenience and efficiency this griddle brings to your outdoor cooking adventures. What we like: convenient RV installation, Teflon coated for easy cleaning, powerful heat output, adjustable flame control. Number 5. CROSSON 2-in-1 Electric Grill and Griddle. The CROSSON Grill and Griddle offers versatile cooking options for any meal, allowing you to prepare everything from burgers to pancakes with ease. Its large 24-inch by 16-inch cooking surface accommodates multiple dishes at once, making it perfect for busy cooking times. You'll enjoy consistent results thanks to the thick cooking plate that heats evenly, ensuring your food is perfectly cooked. Cleanup is a breeze with the non-stick surface and removable grease tray, which helps you maintain a low-fat diet while keeping your kitchen tidy. Plus, the splash guards protect you and your walls from messy spills. What we like: versatile cooking options, large cooking surface, even heating, easy to clean,